Welcome back. Now what we need to do is that we need to install the Fast API framework. And to do this, you need to head on over to fastapi.tyanglo or angolo.com and then click here on installation. And then you need to install two things. The first thing is that we need to install the framework itself, which is the Fast API. The second thing that we need to install is the ASGI server. So to install the framework first, we need to open the terminal. If you are using Mac like me, you need to open the terminal. You need to search here for the terminal. Here type terminal and you need to open the terminal. If you are a Windows user, then you need to search for what's called the CMD, which is the command. It's also known as the command prompt. Command prompt. Command prompt. So you need to search for CMD in Windows. And then once you have opened this, you need to type the following. You need to type pip install fast API. So you need to here say pip install fast API. However, since I'm using Python 3, I'm going to say here pip 3. So you need to say pip 3 if you are using Python 3. And if it doesn't work for you, you need to say just pip install fast API. So try this and try this. Try both. If one of them doesn't work, you need to try the other. But I'm using pip 3. I'm using Python 3, therefore I'm going to say here pip 3 install fast API, and then hit enter, and this is going to start installing. This is going to start installing Python. This is going to start installing pip. This is going to start installing fast API in Python 3. The second thing that we need to install is the server, the ASGI server. We need to use the API ASGI server, therefore we need to use the UVI corn. So in order to use the UVI corn, we need to copy this command, and then we need to say here, we need to paste it here, and then since again I'm using since I'm using Python 3, I'm going to say pip 3 install UVI corn standard, and then hit enter. And this is going to start installing the UVI corn, and as you can see here, it says successfully installed UVI corn and the version. And again, if this doesn't work for you, you need to say pip without 3. So you need to try both in order for this to work. And if it has been installed successfully, it's great and you can follow along and continue with me. Otherwise, you need to try again and try pip or pip 3.